Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to send one-time viewed media on Telegram. With the latest update, Telegram now allows users to send media that can only be viewed once by the recipient. Let's walk through the steps together. First, launch the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat where you want to share the media. Next, tap on the attachment icon at the bottom of your chat window to open the gallery view. From there, choose the media you want to send to your contact. Now, look for the encircled 1 icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. A window will pop up, giving you the option to choose how long the media will be available to the recipient after they open it. Select the View Once option to mark the media as one-time viewed. Once you've made your selection, the media will be labeled as View Once. Simply press the Send button to share the View Once media with your contact. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a one-time viewed media on Telegram. It's a great way to share sensitive or time-sensitive content without the risk of it being saved or shared further. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Until next time, happy messaging. Happy.